Let's analyze the latest news of NIO.
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HD. Remember to subscribe. Merry Christmas to everyone. Welcome to our family. Let's get started with this amazing news we have right here. Apparently, NIO launched flagship electric vehicle ET9. You can see right here that they will begin delivery to customers apparently in first quarter 2025 for this price in yuans and in dollars. You have the reference right here. Very cheap. What do you think, guys? We can't afford it right now, but if you help us in Trading HD subscribing, we will get to that level. So right now we are going to comment the chart. Very interesting. Remember to read the disclaimer and let's get started.
Very interesting, because NIO is actually, we have more than 10% today. It's going nuts, and the key question here is what's going to happen next. Because we have three different levels on the upside. We have one level on the downside. So right now here we have the $10 area. Maybe it's going to be reachable, because we are very close to it. We are talking about like 8% more. At this speed, it could be reachable. And then the second one, $13 area, and the third one, the $16 area. On the downside, we have the $7 area, a very strong support line that, this is where the Abu Dhabi investment firm started to buy the stock at this particular area. And then this is the rally they're experiencing right now. So tell us what you think, guys. Do you think the stock is going to skyrocket to these areas, to the next level of 10, 13, and 16? Or do you think it's going down from this particular level?
I think that's a good prediction for 2024. What do you think, guys? Do you think the price will go higher from these levels or will it continue on this lower side of the chart? Let us know below in the comments so we can start a debate from there. Very interesting because we also mentioned in the previous video this level of $65, and obviously investors are entering into this stock because they want that past price, in the chart. The profits would be insane. Let's see the exact percentage from the current level of $9 more or less. We are talking about an upside of 586% more or less, which is a nice up, and obviously with the investment fund entering in that level, this is strong support. It's like you can see some signals in order to have a buy right there. But also we have the other side, as you mentioned, we could reach the level of $7 again, which could be a fall of 24%. And then we have, like, if that level is broken and we reach the previous lows again of $1 more or less, 83% to the downside. So right here you have a lot of possibilities. We don't know the future. Let us know below in the comments your thoughts. What do you think? It will go up, will go down, and from there we can start a debate and learn one from others.
Something that I can say, is this upturn that we experienced back between 2020 and 2021. That was a different market, like nobody had fear of entering into this particular stock or other similar stocks that are experiencing losses. And the key question here is, if we go to the net income, it's something that I really like, and to check the net income, you can clearly see that they were experiencing losses, but these losses weren't as huge as it is today, and that's the difference that we have from before and now. Obviously, we are still a long way to go, but obviously if they release a new vehicle, that should be a good thing, in terms of the net income. It could help to reverse these negative numbers that we have right now.
Yeah, what do you think about this last piece of news, guys? Because I think it's interesting, but I always want to listen to the opinion of everyone, because sometimes you hear different things or you have different information that you can share, and we learn a lot from there. And right now, as you mentioned at the start of the video, we have these levels from our personal opinion. These are just lines drawing, sometimes they work. You don't know why, but they do. So that's also some kind of debate that we have with this type of stocks. Some people follow technical analysis, some people follow fundamental analysis, some of them both. We try to follow both of them. So let us know below also, what do you think about this type of analysis? Which one do you apply? Which one do you prefer to use if you don't prefer to use both? And right now, very interesting to notice after that kind of news with the Abu Dhabi investment fund, right now the release of this new vehicle, then we have the earnings upcoming during the next year. I think more or less during March they will release them. I don't know the exact date, but I think it's that one. I think this will be a very interesting end of the year for this stock. I don't know if it will go up or down, but for sure it will be volatile, as we are watching right now. Today the market is up 11%, and also I think 2024 this stock will be, will have a lot of eyes on it. So what do you think, guys? Do you agree with that?
Exactly, and let's take a look at the forecast that we have right now from different investors. Because we have let's see the how many analysts we have right here. We're talking about 28, and the average right now is plus 10%, which is not much. If we compare to current levels. So at least it should go according to these analysts to these primary target of that resistance level of $10. And then from there we'll see. We have the most optimistic one. It expects NIO to go to $19, and the most pessimistic one to $4. So different analysis right here, but this is an average. We have 28 analysts from Wall Street right here.
Yeah, I think it will be interesting to see how this forecast changes. If they do, in order to start the new year, we could analyze this again and see this information, if it changed, or where is the price also, because with this type of stocks, with very volatile environments, one day you can see the price in $10, the next day in 8, and the next day in 20. You never know, very volatile environment. So that's why we always talk about risk management, following a trading strategy, having a good trading psychology. That's some topics that we always mention, and we would like to go deeper into those topics if you also like to talk about it, because I think that's key in trading.
Okay, let's take a look at the volume profile right here. From May 2023 to today that we have right now. We are close we are closing the year of 2023. It's been very volatile for this particular stock. So let's analyze the volume profile right here, because a lot of things happened, around this year, and the point of control is right now at $7, which is a little bit lower from this current level. But obviously, we have a lot of different activity right here, trading activity going on.
Exactly, very interesting to analyze different types of indicator, and the volume profile, it's one of those that we mentioned in multiple videos, because we find interesting to see where the majority of the market, according to this indicator, is trading. So we don't have a lot of trading orders apparently from $10 to the upside, but sometimes you tend to see those when the price starts to go higher, because people like update their orders, or the interest of the market changes. And also we have a lot of orders in the lower chart, but we don't know if it will continue this way. We have to reach, in my opinion, that level of $10 more or less, and from there we could see if the price goes higher or lower. And if we don't reach that level, that could be also a possibility. We will pay a lot of attention to that level of $7, because I think right there would be a lot of price action, because this level has been holding in the past, and these 2 times with this kind of double bottom and that kind of news at the same exact moment. So very, very interesting stock. The technical side, the fundamental side, I see a lot of information right now. We don't know the future, but what we know is that this stock will be very, very interesting.
Thank you very much, guys. Remember that you can keep following us on Trading HD. We release 4 videos weekly. More special things coming up in 2024.
Let's go. Have a nice week, guys. Take care. Merry Christmas. We love you.